Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just under 46,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, our performance monitor and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.